Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your April love and work forecast for Sagittarius. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Sagittarius, this reading is for you. If you know a Sagittarius, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Winds Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram as Magic Winds Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwindstarot.com, friends. And this is a general reading, it may or may not resonate, but take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind, friends. So let's see. Make sure to watch out your charms picker card reading for April, and your horoscope readings all are done. Let's see the theme of the month for Sagittarius. For oh, nice. Look how the card jumped out. Ace of Cups. So this is about a new start, a new. Oh my god, this is about new love, new relationships, a new dawn coming into your life. This is definitely a very happy and emotional month for you. I see a lot of happiness and lot of joy coming your way, and definitely some sort of a new start. Theme of the month of April for Sagittarius. I do see love, yes, Tower. Oh my God, look at that. So I do see that something, maybe a relationship is coming very suddenly into your life, or some sort of a job offer is coming suddenly. I also feel that you may stumble upon a blessing very suddenly in your life. Like suddenly you find like you have a hidden talent, or you going back to something that you used to do as a kid, dancing, writing, something like that. I also feel if you had any losses, Sagittarius, in the past year, you will recover in April. Yes, so woohoo, that's great energy. So definitely, friends. You are going to recover from any sort of loss you had in the past, financial or emotional. I also feel that this is a very powerful month for you. Not only you are clear and focused, but you are also emotionally very content and happy. So congratulations. That's beautiful, Sagittarius. That's beautiful. Let's clarify the tower. What's the tower about for Sagittarius in April? Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, that's what I thought. That this is about exactly, something coming in your life, something suddenly manifesting for you, like a job, like even, if something couldn't work out in the past, it is supposed to happen now, because this is the divine timing. If you were unlucky, now is your month to get lucky. If you were waiting for love, now is the time you will get it. If you were waiting for babies, pregnancy, yes, it is gonna happen for you. This is your lucky, 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 lucky. I don't know how many luckies do I need to say. This is a lucky time for you, a lucky month for you. And definitely for many things, this is the right month or the right timing for you. I think some things were not working in your favor because the timing was off, friends. Now is the time to make things work in your life, in your love life. Woohoo, Sagittarius. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person this month, so they are important. Let's see your work life. Oh, sorry. Let's see your who's coming for you in love. Then we're gonna see your work life. Who's coming for Sagittarius in love? Okay, Six of Cups. So somebody from your past, or someone who is a soulmate. It could be a new person. Yes, I do feel that a new person who is very. Perfect destined partnership for you, or somebody from your past you had a tower moment, they are coming back. Yes, Sagittarius, wow, anxiety. Yeah, this person is. There could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Sagittarius. I also feel this person is nervous about coming towards you, or they were lacking in confidence, or they were having some anxiety, depression in the past. Yeah, look at that. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, it could be, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I do feel this person was very much focused on money, on ego, on outside things, and that's the reason, Sagittarius, they were not with you. But I do feel this person wants a brand new start with you in April. So, woohoo! Oh my god, friends, I definitely see if it could be like you already know this person, or you have been in a separation with them, in no contact. But I also feel, friends, This could be a new person you meet through work or through social media or through a matrimony site. So you may meet them through a dating site, social media, and they are perfect for you. So this is a soulmate that's coming for you. Wow, this is amazing, and this is a powerful new start. You have two aces. So this is a brand new start for you. Wow, this is amazing. Let's see how what will happen in the love life for Sagittarius. Knight of Cups, Ten of Cups, Seven of Cups, the Knight of Swords. Okay, so definitely choices. The Page of Swords, Sagittarius, their love life, Chariot, Emperor. And oh my god, lots of people are important for you, Sagittarius. So definitely you start the first week of April feeling very happy. I also see this person from the past will try to message you, or some proposals of love are coming your way. And you will be spending more time with family, with friends, and you will enjoy. I also see a marriage proposal could be coming from your family side or through your family friends, your cousins or somebody from there. They are trying to, they are setting you up with somebody. So that's there. And I feel you have some choices. So definitely you have some choices here in the first week of April. And in the second week of April, I see that, yes, you're gonna, competition is high for you, Sagittarius. Everybody wants you. I also feel your focus in the second week is more on work, on life, on learning something, on getting better. I do see you might be working from home, so and talking with this person online on social media. So you'll be like, oh my god, I can't handle it. It's too much work, 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 and love, love, love. So yeah, see, somebody definitely wants to talk and make things better with you in the second week, but this person is under a lot of pressure, and I also feel, Sagittarius, you have a lot of pressure of work and career. So second week is more like you will have to really balance work and life in the second week. Let's see the third week. Oh wow, third week, someone is definitely traveling towards you. Your relationships will be moving forward. You might travel, or your person might travel towards you. Definitely things moving and progressing in your love relationships. Emperor, yes. Sagittarius, this is your own energy. Your person realizes you are the one for them, and they definitely want you, and they will bridge this gap between you and them, and they want to shout to the heavens, shout to the moon that you are the one for them. So definitely I also feel, Sagittarius, someone is going to propose to you, or they are meeting you face to face, and this is going to make things better in this connection. Some of you could be traveling also with this person, or you are traveling for work, and or they are traveling for work, so that will also help in this connection. And look at that, yes, the final week is really important for you in April. I see things getting finalized, your marriage or proposals, long-term commitments happening. I also feel that, yes, family could be playing an important role. This person could be from a different religion, culture than yours. So, maybe they are telling about you to their family, or you are telling about this person to your family. This is very interesting. I also feel the final week, the last week of April, will be a little slow for you. You will take things more traditionally rather than more physically or more emotionally. So you are like, yes, I'll take my time. I want commitment. I want future. Also, the final week is very important because you might have a pregnancy then, or there might be a childbirth in the final week in the family, or in your family, or in your person's family. So lots of good things are coming. Look at that, Nine of Wands. Yes, your person doesn't want to give up on you. They want a brand new start, and definitely something good is happening, and a new dawn. It's absolutely a new dawn of love and luck for you, Sagittarius. So let's see some advice for Sagittarius for April. Oh, financial and material changes. So, yes, things are changing for you. You are busy with work. Absolutely. Number five, things are changing. Things are, you definitely, your focus is on work, on creativity, on boosting your finances. You're very, very lucky this month. But, I do feel that love is coming your way, and you will have to balance it. This month, balance work with finances, love with finances. Shadow, yeah, yeah, your person is definitely mirroring you back. You guys have the same sort of insecurities, the same sort of attraction, the same depths for each other. Look at that. Spiritual union. This is a spiritual romance. This is a destined connection. You guys are fated to be. So, whoever is coming, in this month, Sagittarius, for you, this is a divine union, a spiritual connection, and you should look at this connection in through a higher perspective. And yes, they will make you feel a bit jealous, or they might make you feel all your fears are out. But you know what? You can trust on this connection. This is higher love. This is true love. This is a love guided by the stars and protected by the universe. Oh my god, look at that. The lovers. Oh, this is such a lovey dovey reading for you, Sagittarius. I feel I'm gonna cry. I'm so happy for you. Oh, I love it when love readings are happy. They are my favorite, and I just love it when they come out nice. So, definitely, you have a choice to focus and choose love rather than fear in the month of April. And your person also has the same choice that they can choose you again, they can choose love, they can put everything else beside and you first, and this connection first. So, woohoo, let's see your work, Sagittarius. Their work and career in April, Sagittarius. Wow, celebrations. Yeah, you're busy. I told you, success in work. Solitude. Yeah, you want to work alone. You're working very alone in the sense like you have a lot of plans about your work and career. So you are like, yes, I gonna spend all my time working, planning, doing this, doing that. Also, you're very strong, Sagittarius, this month. So you will try to be a strong leader. You will try to do things alone. You are like this queen or the king of sword. You want to do things alone, but I do feel, friends, you have a lot of support around you, good friendships, good people, so you can rely on them, and you must accept their support. You don't need to do things alone this month in your work and your studies. I see a celebration coming your way, a success, a victory coming your way in work. So if you don't have a job, get ready, something is coming your way and you will be happy about it. It is destined. For some of you, money is coming your way. For others of you, it is the um, your exams going well and you celebrating that, oh yeah, our hard work pays off. Passions ignited, yes, something new is starting for you, and you will feel reconnected with your work, with your passion, with your career. Your ambitions will be high again. Some of you could be getting the project you really worked hard on. It was the promotion you were working, it was denied in the past, but now it will happen. Now it will happen. This connection, this promotion, or this something was denied to you in the past, friends. It will happen this month in April or in May. I do feel April, May are continuous energies for you. So make sure to check out your May readings also. I'll be uploading them shortly. Emotional loss. Yeah, I feel if you are a student, friends, definitely, you are missing out some friends or people you used to study with, group studies, or you are feeling like your papers have not gone well or something. But don't worry, you're gonna really, things are going to be fine for you. If you felt any loss in the past, things will be better for you. And look at that temptation. Yeah, you wanna do things alone, Sagittarius. You're very, very driven. You're a workaholic this month, but I would suggest you that will working alone is not a good thing for you as Sagittarius. You have a lot of friends, you have a lot of people around you who can help you. So take time, say hello, and let's see what else for Sagittarius for their work. Yeah, foundations and achievements. So you are going to achieve something, Sagittarius, which was earlier denied to you, or it just never happened for you in the past. So you will achieve that financial security, promotion, that job offer, or that degree, or that good result that you wanted. So yes, that will happen. And let's see what else. Wall, a misunderstanding. Yeah, some things, there are some misunderstandings between friends or lovers. It will clear out this month, definitely. Rat, someone is working against or behind your back. Yeah, that's why I think you have been betrayed at work in the past. Your trust has been betrayed. That's why you want to work alone. You don't want to rely on too many people. But I think this month people around you are very supportive, so you can count on them. Purse, pay attention to your finances. Yes, your finances will be getting better. I do see that. Maybe by the end of this month, you will have a lot more financial success than in the past. Happiness, yes, you're gonna be happy. Arcway, new opportunities, possibilities, and paths are opening up for you. Rabbit, too much concern with sexual matters. Yeah, I do feel someone is feeling very lustful and attracted towards you physically. Vacation, yeah, some of you need a vacation, or you might meet somebody who is taking a break in your city, or near your house or something, so you might meet them there. Control your anger or you'll be sorry. So yeah, that can also happen. I do feel at your work you're very very committed friends, so you have very high standards. If people are not able to match up with you, you might feel a bit bad. So keep your anger in control, because you are in the devil's mode here. Workaholics, wind chimes, peace and harmony. So peace is coming your way in April, friends. Was a secret admirer is coming, a sunrise, a new venture, a fresh start, a new dawn is coming for you. And throne, the position of authority. I see a promotion. I see some of you getting married this month, or things moving forward, you connecting with your gifts, your skills, your love, self love, ideas. Great month, Sagittarius. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit to our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye.